Hey everybody, today we're going to be learning this grind bind I learned from Augie Fash about 10 or 15 years ago. I'm going to start like we're getting into a 1.5 mount, like with Buddha's Revenge, but instead of going over our throw hand pointer like this, we are going to go a little vertical and go over or into our non-throw hand pointer side. I'm just going to get the yo-yo into there. You can see it better from this next angle here. So not this side, even though you can just roll it over like a Buddha's Revenge. We're gonna go a little vertical and over our non-throw hand pointer. So that way the yo-yo rests on that side. This next part can be a little bit tricky as we're popping the yo-yo up and moving this slack around in a circular motion. And we are going clockwise with this slack. So we want to get this into the gap of the yo-yo, which could cause the yo-yo to bind, so careful. The next part is we do want to pop it up and land it on our throw hand pointer finger, like this, and move that slack into that grind on our throw hand pointer, like this. This part I'm going to stop the yo-yo for, and you can do the same. This is kind of like that talon bind, if you've ever learned that. You want to grab the yo-yo on the outer or inner rim there, like this, usually with your fingernails. And because that slack is inside the gap, it's going to cause friction on your friction pads or your stickers. So I'm showing you here how I would grab it, put it inside that gap, and pull down. Here's the trick again in this next video. Hope you guys enjoyed.